Hi there, I'm Damien, the founder of Arckit, and I'm really excited to tell you that we have just launched our new Arckit 2.0 series kits. Over the past year, we've been listening to our customers, and at your request, we have made some significant improvements to our overall system that enable a much better user experience. Arckit's an evolutionary project that we at the Arckit team strive to enhance. A couple of examples to the upgrades we've made include an improvement to our peg for easier assembly and disassembly, and we have changed out our wall components for wall corner components to enable greater building flexibility. In addition to our 5 new 2.0 series kits, we've also added a further 2 colourful kits to our Arckit Play range for children 4 years and upwards. Little Architect and Cityscape Plus are for budding creators and introduces them to the wonderful world of modern architectural design and building forms. You can go online to arckit.com to learn more. Happy building, everyone!